I did a video one time and someone asked a question in my comments, and I did like a quick live video. It was like 15 minutes long. And it was about like, if you always need something new, then why do all these financial promos have charts with lines up and to the right? He's like, what's new about that? And my response in the video was that the result is always the result. What's new is the opportunity or mechanism that taps into something to get the result. We all want the abs. If you go to Instagram and you're looking up like thirst traps or like workout inspo, or like, I mean, at some point in time, Instagram was just abs pics. Like it was just straight up super juicers with like biceps 60 inches around. So that's it. Like that's going full Chad, right? It's the most extreme result, but the result is always the same. You just want this impossible sort of structure to your curves. Like some of these people, the way they would pose is like, they do like one of these and then like their body would vanish. And all you would see is like their top and their back sides. And it was just like, it was like an optical illusion. And again, it's like the most extreme Chad version of the result, but the result is always the same, So the reason I stress this point is there's 10 billion of those accounts on Instagram, and somehow all of them have 10 billion followers because everybody just, they got what they want. They got the result and they want to look at it. They want to say, well, teach me, sell me your supplements. Like, give me your pre-workout. I need that protein powder that gives me that body. But at the end of the day, okay, so those are the new things. What's the new supplement? What's the new pre-workout? What's the new protein powder? But the result is that picture, which of which there are 7 jillion of them on, like, Instagram is like a cesspool of that stuff. All right. The point is, man, this is about my man and his email. The email, you do have a niche, and in financial, it's dollars and cents. That's our result. And it has to be a lot of them, which is the equivalent of that. Like if I turn sideways, my belly disappears, but boobs and butt are like visible from the sun, right? So we know in financial how to do that. It's, you can make $1 million overnight. Okay. And so there's an element here of responsibility to, if you're doing the most extreme, like steroid abuse and drugs to get that physique, that you don't lie to your people, right? So that's the extreme version of that. And in financial, you don't actually say, I 100% guarantee you'll make $1 million overnight. That's that example. So you can see all these parallels, they exist in every niche. So what you have to do, ultimately, is what I'm getting at. You have to isolate what is your result in this niche, because there is one. Maybe that's, I think ultimately what you're selling is peace of mind. All right. And so think about the spin-off results. So the benefits. Okay. So with financial, the result is dollars unto you, mad knots in your pocket. All right. But what we put in the benefits section isn't just about, like, imagine gripping that sweaty wad of cash and then stuffing it into your pockets. We don't talk about that. We talk about, imagine donating $1,000 to your church. Imagine supporting your kids through your kids and your grandchildren through college. We know what the result is. The result is dollars. Then the benefits are what you do with the dollars. What's up, Copy Squad? I hope you found that useful, and if you'd like to actually join our private conversations in full and get some of this actionable advice for your copy or business, I invite you to check out copysquad.net/join. Here you can sign up for our highest, most exclusive level group, the Copy Squad Inner Circle. Every week we alternate between 2 types of live meetings to keep our conversation fresh around copy and continually grow our skills together. So one week we take member submissions and questions and we go over user copy, and then the next week we'll do sales letter breakdowns of top tier 7- and 8-figure sales letters by some of the best copywriters and businesses in the game. So that rotates every week. One week we take submissions, the next week we do a sales letter breakdown. These calls are attended by myself, my current writing team, and even some of my previous writers are also regulars on these calls. So there's top tier talent attending all of these calls. We also have a brand new Slack channel for members to share ideas, their copy, experiences, insights, and keep up with our program announcements. So all you got to do is go to this page, copysquad.net/join. Choose whether you want a yearly or monthly membership, and then you can have access to one of the highest performing, most elite copy groups on the planet. Thanks so much for tuning in, and peace out, Copy Squad.